Hello everyone, this video will be dedicated for our newcomers, especially because I will show the basic steps of compiling Opensearch Dashboard project, and as well as I will show you how to choose your project, how to get started, and why joining to open source community is a great ways to improve your coding skills, improve your experience, and this is a great opportunity for you to learn. Let's get started. So let me open the main page. Here we can see that in Opensearch project we have repositories which you can choose from. You can choose any repository which you are interested in, but yeah, you're interested in, you want to maybe develop some skills on working with Java, or it is actually suggested to know the language, then start looking at the project, because it will be easier for you to understand the code base. That's why I, for example, choose Opensearch Dashboard, because I worked a couple of years by using TypeScript, and this, for me, it was a great start to working on Opensearch, to make the contribution for open source community. How you gonna do it? The first step you need to fork Opensearch Dashboard in your repo. After that, you need to install it by using your IDE. And here you can see the project guidelines, project principle, project website, documentation. This is Opensearch Dashboard documentation. But here you can see you can contribute to this project, opening issues, give feedback, share ideas, identify bugs, and contribute code. And also it's important to be respectful for everyone, and make the and help everyone with your contribution. I personally choose the issue. For example, here you look at the issues. We have 84 issues are open for us. And for newcomers, here we can see labels. And if we write good first issue, we can see about 92 new first issues for newcomers. You can choose any of them and start helping our community of contributors. It's a great start to start working on big scale projects, start to see how big tech companies are actually work. It helps you to see how complex and large applications could be, as well as if you can see, for example, you open the project, you see that there is a very precise and nice way of code structure, I see. And this is interesting because I like how the code structure is created here. And so after choosing your favorite repository, after choosing your issue, let me show you how you can launch our Opensearch dashboard. I do it by opening documentation. I don't know how to make setup for Windows users, but for Mac users, we're gonna follow up these steps by using Docker development setup. The first thing you need to install Docker. After that, I will suggest to use Docker Desktop for this project. Here we can see Docker Desktop, which is here you can see it has containers, and I have running my Docker Opensearch Dashboard desktop. Let me delete it for to make our development. I mean, just stop it maybe. Okay, yeah, I deleted. Yeah, the first thing you need to install your Docker and make sure that Docker daemon is running. It means that you need to just open your Docker. It will automatically make your daemon running. And then in the terminal, you should create the folder named Opensearch Dashboard Docker Dev. You do it by just copying this link. So as you can see here, I moved to my let me cd Opensearch Dashboards. And here we can see if you type this this link here, you will create these two files, Docker Compose. The search step is you need to export your forked URL here. For this, you need to open your dashboard Docker Dev folder, and let's do it like here. So I need to move to the Opensearch Dashboard Docker Dev folder. After that, we will export Repo URL here. And the forked URL will be, let me open. So let me, repositories. Here you can copy the link and then paste. So you exported the link. Now what you need to do, you need to run your Docker compose.yaml. Do it by, yeah. So it means that the Docker running. Here, those buttons, green buttons, refer to that my Docker is running. Now, after that, I will click to the left button and attach to shell, the first one. Once you open your shell, what you're gonna do after attaching your shell, you need to one second. You need to import also to export two things. You need to first let's open our documentation. Here actually we have outdated documentation because I don't follow this, to be honest. Yeah, what here you can see first, after importing your shell, you will just ignore this, all this. What I do, I usually attach to shell and write yarn Opensearch snapshot in my shell. Yeah, so it will be running while I'm gonna open my terminal now. I need to go back to my previous folder and then need to export export two things. I will type manually here. Server host, I need to export go to local host. Yeah. And the second one, need to export Open search hosts. I will. I'm sorry for this long. Local host. These two commands are important. 1 second. The wallet. Okay. Export and search hosts. Local host. After exporting those two commands, you need to start your Docker. Yarn start Docker. You see here, HTTP server running at localhost. And what you're gonna do, it is important to wait a couple of minutes for compilations because it takes time for our application to run. Let's wait. Now change here. So 0, 0. Yeah. So this is our Opensearch dashboard. We have here overview, discover, dashboard. We can play a little bit here. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.